So here in the next question then, when we talk on the another aspect, that is consider the following statements regarding the theories behind the formation of the Indian National Congress. So what were the theories in the formation of the Indian National Congress? Now we have very well, means in the theories, we in the classes also we had discussed on it, and apart from that you guys have also learned on the various theories that are associated with this formation. Okay, so that is there. Now the safety valve theory, it was associated with the Gopal Krishna Gokhale, in which he argued that Hume's involvement helped channel nationalistic energies in a controlled manner, preventing a revolutionary outbreak. All right. The lightning conductor theory, it was proposed by William Wedderburn in 1913, suggested that A.O. Hume created the Congress as a platform for safety release growing discontent amongst Indians. Okay, so what is going to be the answer for this? Now see, when we have to find which of the following is and are correct. Now when we talk from here till here, okay, that is from here, from this point till this point, it is correct. Okay, however this part is incorrect, because William Wedderburn, in the biography of A.O. Hume, he had mentioned on the safety valve theory, and this is the aspect of safety valve, whereas here the safety valve is associated with William Wedderburn and not with Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Okay, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he is associated with the lightning conductor theory. So here there is a interchangement. So there has been change. So that is going to be there. So the answer here is neither one nor two. That is going to be the answer. Now, when we move to the next one, consider the following statements about the Indian National Congress presidencies. Okay, in some sessions. Rahimatullah Sayani was the first Muslim president of INC. William Wedderburn presided the Calcutta session of 1911, and he became the first English to be in the position. Then there is only two women presidents to the INC from 1885 till 1947. How many of the above mentioned are not correct? Okay, how many of the above mentioned are not correct? So here what do we understand? Here in this particular context, what are we generally understanding here? Okay, now when we talk on this particular scenario, okay, so what is going to be the answer for this particular statement? So just understand, who was the first Muslim president of the INC? You are very much understandable that it was Baharuddin Tayyab ji, and you have read on it. All right, and even in the notes it is generally provided. Then when we talk, William Wedderburn, he presided the Calcutta session in 1911. So we are unaware of this fact. We do not know whether William Wedderburn ever presided the INC or no. We do not know on that. But what do we know is that he was not the first Englishman to sit on the post. The first Englishman to sit on the post, his name was George Yule. Okay, so that is why this statement also is incorrect. So here, whenever such aspects are given, always think twice. If the earlier aspect you are unaware about it, but when the first aspect is there, first or second aspect, always think on it whether it can be right or wrong. That is going to be there. Okay. So how many of the, and then there were two women presidents such as Annie Besant and Sarojini Naidu. They were there. Okay. So the answer here is going to be only one is correct. And also there is one, Nelly, Mrs. Nelly, she was also there as the chairman of the INC.